Hello students, this is the fourth part of probability. Today I am going to explain the concept of playing cards. Playing cards are 52 in number, or you can call a deck of cards, a pack of cards. These 52 cards are divided into two pieces. 26 are red colored cards and 26 are black colored cards. Okay, again this black color 26 card divided into 2, 13 each, called spades and clubs. Spades, so I will draw the diagram for the spades, just like leaf, spades and clubs. Okay, again these red colored cards divided into 2, 13 each. Yeah, one is called heart, another diamond. Hearts and diamond. So this is the concept of playing cards. Students, okay, 52 playing cards are divided into two parts, red colored and black colored. These red colored divided into two parts, hearts 13 and diamond 13, and black cards divided into two parts, spades 13 and clubs 13. Okay, or another words I can say that 52 pack cards are divided into 4 suits, 13 each. 4 suit, this is one suit, this is another suit, this is another suit, this is another suit. So 13 each. So one suit is named by hearts, another suit named by diamond, another suit is named by spades, another suit is named by clubs. Okay. So same thing I wrote here. In a pack or deck of 52 playing cards, there are divided into 4 suits of 13 each: spades, hearts, diamonds and clubs. Cards of spades and clubs are black color cards. Cards of hearts and diamonds are red color cards. Okay, students, this is the actual cards. For example, you take a diamond A, diamond 2, diamond 3, diamond 4, diamond 5, diamond 6, diamond 7, diamond 8, diamond 9, diamond 10, diamond jockey, diamond queen, diamond king. Like that, heart A, heart 2, so on, heart jack, heart queen, heart king. Okay, club and spades also divided like that. Okay, so here important thing, students, these cards are called face cards. Face cards. So in diamond we have 4 face cards. In hearts also have 4 face cards. In clubs also have 4 face cards. In spades also have 4 face cards. Totally 12 face cards. So we have 12 face cards. Okay, totally 52 cards. From these 52, 12 are face cards. Okay, and these are ace cards. There are 4 ace cards: diamond ace, heart ace, club A and spade A. These are called ace cards. Ace cards are not treated as face cards. There are 4 ace cards. Okay, so queen and jack are face cards. So there are 12 face cards in the deck of 52 playing cards. This is important note. Okay, now we want to solve some problems based on playing cards concept. Here a question is given, students. This is an example problem. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of the card is 2 of spades. 2 of spades. Okay, 2 of spades from 52 cards, total 52 cards. From the two of spades, how many 2 of spades? Only one 2 of spades. Favorable card is 1, total card 52. The required number of probability is 1 by 52. Okay, but how to write step, that is important, students. So here clearly given. Yeah, first one, 2 of spades. Number of favorable outcomes, that is 2 of spades, is 1 out of 52. Therefore, probability of getting 2 of spades, P of A equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes, that is 1 by 52. In examination, we need to write like these steps. So I will show you now. 2 of spade. See in diagram, 2 of spade. So this one, only one. Okay. Next, a jack. A jack, not mention what type of jack that. There are 4 jacks. I will show you. This is jack only. This is also jack only. This is also jack only. This is also jack only. We have 4 jacks. Okay. I want to erase all these things. Yeah, we have 4 jacks. So 4 by total cards 52. 1 the 13s are. So 1 by 32 is the probability. A jack, number of favorable outcomes, jacks are 4 out of 52. Therefore, probability of getting a jack, P of B equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, 4 by 52, that is equal 1 by 13. Okay, so this is the answer for second problem. Okay, next one, students, listen. A king of red color. A king of red color. There are 4 kings actually: spade king, heart king, diamond king, club king. Among those, 2 are red kings, diamond red king and heart red king. There's a two possibilities, 2 favorables by 52, that is equal 1 by 26. Answer for the third problem is 1 by 26. I will show you that also. Here, students, listen. Number of favorable outcomes, a king of red color is 2 out of 52. Therefore, the required number of probability is 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. Next, a card of diamond. A card of diamond. There are 13 diamond cards actually. So that directly, like what I can answer, 13 by 52, that is equal 1 by 4. But how to write steps, that is important. Here, a card of diamond, number of favorable outcomes, that is a card of diamond is 13 out of 52. Therefore, probability of getting a card of diamond is 13 by 52, that is equal 1 by 4. Next, a king or a queen. Interesting thing, king or queen. R is there here. A king or queen. Kings are 4, queens are 4, total 8 nana. 8 by 52. The answer is 8 by 52. 4 2s are 4 13s are. So what is the answer? 2 by 13. A king or queen. R is there. Okay, should say a king or queen. Total number of kings are 4. Total number of queens are 4. So number of favorable outcomes, king or queen is equal 4 plus 4, 8. So therefore the required probability is 8 by 52, that is 2 by 13. Okay. Next, sixth one, a non-face cards. Interesting thing. Total 52 cards, face cards are 12. Subtract 40. 40 non-face cards, 40 by 52 is the required probability. Okay. See here, non-face card, total number of face cards 52. Okay, non-face cards 40 by 52, 10 by 13 is the required probability. A black face card, 4 only, no, black face, no, 8 black face cards. Face cards means actually 12. Among 12, 6 are red color and 6 are black color. So what I can say that a black half face card means I can say 6, not 8, 6. But the answer 6 by 52. Okay, that is answer for 7th problem. Card of spades and clubs are black cards, totally 6. So 6 by 52, that is the answer for the problem. Okay, next one is a black card. Black cards are 26 actually. Black cards are 26 by 52. A non-ace, actually aces are 4 from total from 52, aces are 4, nana. So 52 minus 4, what is that? 8, 48 by 52 is the required probability. Non-face card of black color, actually black color 26, in 26 6 are face cards, so 20 are non-face black cards, so 20 by 52 is the answer for the problem number 10. How to write step, that is important, students, listen. Okay, a black card 26 by 52. Next, a non-ace, aces are 4, total 52, 52 minus 4, 48 by 13. Next, non-face card of black color clearly given, that is 20 by 52, that is 5 by 13. Okay. Next question, students. Neither a spade or jack. The card should not be spade and the card should not be jack. Such a way that you don't find probability. Neither spade, actually 52 cards, in 32 cards 13 are spades. First of all, you want to remove 13 from this 52, so subtracted here 7, 8, 9, so 39 cards. So nor a jack also. So in these 39, actually jacks are 4. Already in this 13 one jack is counted. So now in these 39 we have 3 jacks, those should be subtracted. So 13 minus 3, that is equal to 36. Therefore 36 are favorable cards by total cards are 52. The required probability is 32 by 52 or 9 by 13. Okay, clearly here mentioned. So listen, students. Total number of non-spades 52 minus 13 equal 39. Number of jacks actually 4. Number of jacks in each of these 3 suits, namely hearts, diamond and clubs, are 3. Those 3 should subtract from 39. So 36 left. So 36 are favorable outcomes. Total number of outcomes is 52. So 36 by 52 is the answer for the problem. Next problem. Neither a heart nor a king. Neither a heart nor king. Actually, students, listen. Okay. Neither a heart, should not be heart, should not be king. After removing hearts from 52, 52 minus 13, we will get 39. In this 39, we want to do red king. So this is red color, I will show you. This is red color, this is red color. Remaining all are black only. So what king should remove, red king, that too. So red king will be from diamond only. That king should be removed. So what happened? Remaining are 38. 38 are favorable cards. Total 52. So our required probability is 38 by 52. That is 19 by 26. Another problem, students. A card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is a king. So total 52 cards. Kings. How many kings will be, Nana? Actually 4 kings. The required probability is 4 by 52. That is called 1 by 4 ones are 4, 1 by 13. That is the answer for the first problem. For second problem, neither a queen nor a jack. Show you, neither, 1 minute, I want draw. Okay, neither a queen nor a jack. Queen should subtract, here one queen, here one queen, here one queen, here one. 4 queens should be subtracted from 52. So 48. And a jack also should, nor a jack, jacks also. Here one jack, here another jack, here another jack, here another jack. Totally 4 jacks. Those also subtracted. Remaining are 44. 44 cards are there, neither queen nor jack. Therefore, favorable outcomes are 44. Total outcomes are 52. The required probability is 44 by 52 for the problem number 2. Okay. See, 44 by 52. Here 1 by 30. Students, one more example. One card is drawn from well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be an ace. Ace. Actually, ace. I want write. Required probability P of E equal to number of aces are 4 only. 4 by total 52. That is equal 1 by 13. Not an ace. Not an ace. It is a complementary event only. Directly I can write the answer for that. Not an ace means 1 minus P of E, that is equal 1 minus 1 by 13, that is equal 12 by 13. Non-ace. Next question, students. One card is drawn from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. Directly I want to write answers for that, Nana. Steps you people can write your own. So directly I want to write for that answer. A king of red color. Actually, there are 26 red color, and that 2 kings will be red colored kings, 2 red colored kings. So what I can say, 2 by 52, or you can simplify it. That is the answer for the first problem. A face card, there are 12 face cards, 12 by 52. Third one. A red face card, totally 12 face cards among 6 red colored face cards and 6 black colored face cards. So what I can say, 6 by 52. The jack of hearts. Hearts are 13. Actually, hearts are 13. The jack of hearts, only one jack, that is 1 by 52. I can say. Cross-check nana. The jack of hearts, only hearts are 52 cards, and that jack, only one jack. Okay, I can say. Spades are 13. So that's why what I can say, 13 by 52 answer for the problem. Sixth one, the queen of diamond. Diamonds also have 13 cards only, and that 13 cards, only one diamond, sorry, only one queen. Queen of diamond means I can say that 1 by 52. So important question, students, here, very very important. Find the probability for a leap year having 53 Sundays and a non-leap year having 53 Sundays. Okay, interesting question. I want to write solution for that. First one, for leap year. You know that leap year consisting of 366 days divided by 7. 7 5s are 35, remainder 1, 7 2s are 14. 52 complete weeks and 2 extra days. 52 weeks plus 2 days, 2 extra days. Okay, if these 2 extra days are not there, what I can say, 52 weeks means 53 Sundays only. But you want 53 Sunday, that next Sunday will be from these 2 days. So these 2 days may be, I want to write, those 2 days may be, I want to write brackets. So Sunday, Monday, or Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday or Wednesday, or Wednesday or Thursday, or Thursday or Friday, Friday or Saturday, Saturday or Sunday. Okay, but what are the favorable? No? This is favorable pair and this is another favorable pair. From this only you get Sunday. So here 52 Sundays, complete Sundays, and these two are favorable pairs. From these two pairs, any one of them happens. That's why the required probability is 2 by among all. How many pairs are here? 7 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 by 7 is the required probability that a leap year consisting of 53 Sundays. Students, once again listen. A leap year consisting of 366 days, 52 complete days and 2 extra days. Those 2 extra days may be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday or Sunday. So what you got? You got 7 pairs here. Among the 7 pairs, 2 are favorable for us. In 2 pairs only we have Sunday. Here one Sunday is there, here one Sunday is there. We want 53 Sundays. Already here 52 Sundays completed. Another Sunday can be from this or this. Can choose. Favorable outcomes are 2. Total outcomes are 7. So I can say that 2 by 7 is the required probability. Okay. For non-leap year, I want to write answer for non-leap year. Non-leap year consisting of 365 days by 7, 52 and one extra day here, one extra day. So what I can say, 1 week from 1 day. I can say that 1 day may be Sunday or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. So 52 Sundays completed. Another Sunday should be chosen from these 7. Only one possibility. So 1 by 7 is the required probability. Okay. The required probability is 1 by 7. The favorable outcomes are 1 and total outcomes are 7 here. So what I can say, 1 by 7 is the required probability.